Hello guys, review Xiaomi Redmi Note 14S. This version 8GB memory and 256GB storage. Start unpacking, open box and look completion. Device in completion, okay. And we have only protected case and Type-C cable. Okay, we have 67 watt hypercharge, fast charge, 5000 mAh battery, 200 megapixels main camera, MediaTek Helio G8099 Ultra, Corning Gorilla Glass 5, 120 Hz refresh rate display. Okay, triple camera on the back side, LED. On this side power button and volume buttons, downside Type-C port, speaker, microphone, and headphone jack on the upside and second speaker. Okay, turn on device. Open settings, about phone. We have Android 14, version OS 1.0.3. Okay. Display AMOLED Full HD Plus 120 Hz display, 6.67 inch. Look results, Geekbench 6. CPU test results and look GPU test results. Okay. Open Antutu benchmark, look Antutu benchmark results. Very good. Close this. And start demanding game PUBG Mobile. Look how this game works on the device. Okay, game load and game load on the medium graphic level. This marks graphic level for this device. Okay, game works good. Now I show you photos on the main camera. Let's see this. That's all. Thanks for watching this video. Bye bye.